Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 335D M Sport Saloon presented in Melbourne Red. So alongside that really excellent exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car, and that includes a brand new set of 20-inch 795M style alloy wheels that are in the ferric grey. They also come with 4 brand new tyres, of course. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 at 66 reg. We've got the lovely LED headlamps up front. Down the side of the car, as well as a very nicely presented vehicle, you will of course see the standout satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. Giving you a nice long shot down the side of the car, you'll be able to see just not only how nicely presented this car is, but how well all of the additions we've made really work with that exterior colour. Moving on to show you the very nice contrasting interior, it's the lovely Oyster Dakota leather, which for this car comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. We've also of course got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, the very sought after Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. You may have noticed this little triangle up here, and I'll talk more about that shortly in a moment. That is part of the BMW Intelligent Safety System. The rear seats do compose of a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest and a lovely darkened M Sport headlining, once again working in nice contrast with that lighter interior colour and this magnificent exterior colour. Again showing you off these brand new set of alloys, and at the back of the car we've gone for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the matching diffuser for this 335D, and of course being the 335D we have also got the magnificent X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, keeping all of that power and torque planted down to the road. Huge boot space on the F33 series, and round at the other side again you'll be able to see that that Melbourne Red works very nicely with all of the additions we've made and being a very nice clean and tidy example. And I shall now go ahead, take a seat inside the car and show you through some of the interior features of this 3 Series. Starting with a little bit about that intelligent safety system we have on board. It's got all 3 items equipped to it. So down here you'll see 3 unique buttons, and I'll talk more about that in just one second. Starting the car up, you'll see we've got the BMW Business Navigation and Media, and I'll begin with the safety systems. Starting with the first one, you'll be able to see there it has got the changing of the lane assist. So this will notify you should you sway out of lane without indicating. The car will alert you. The central one is a warning of a collision. So the vehicle will sense using sensors up the top mirror and on the front of the car. So should a vehicle pull out in front of you, or even if you go for a gap that the vehicle deems that is too small, again it will alert you, and if no action is taken the vehicle can make the appropriate action. And again, the little triangles I pointed out on the side mirrors, again that will also highlight to the fact that when you have departed from the lane, or even if something is about to come into your lane, it'll also flash and alert to you. And again you'll also get a visual warning in front on your dashboard display. You'll see there that this 335's covered just over 47,000 miles. We've got that fantastic 8-speed I did of course mention, so we get the flappy pedals on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. Going over and having a look through some of the other screens, we've got satellite navigation of course, both Bluetooth for telephone and audio, DAB radio, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs. And of course down here we'll find the dual climate controls along with our switches for these lovely Oyster Dakota leather. And going through into my vehicle and vehicle information, we can view all of the service requirements and service history for this 3 Series. Down at engine oil, you'll see the next service is not due until 16,000 miles time. And up at service history, you can see there it has got a service very recently done, and we have got service records carried out at an independent as well for this 335D. So once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do want to get in touch with us, in the description you'll find both a contact details for ourselves here at Your Next Car, along with a link to our website where of course you can view the car in a little bit more detail, along with finding funding options and of course prices. Thanks again, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care, and goodbye.